This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to go over a really great finger picking pattern that I love for 4/4 time. So this is one we haven't done yet in the lesson series, but we're going to go over this one as that is the focus that we are working on in the lesson series right now. So it's going to be super great. Of course, after I've gone over this finger picking pattern, we'll work on playing it together in some chord progressions. And as we're doing that, we'll be jamming right along with bass and drums accompaniment, which makes it super fun. So it's going to be great. This video accompanies lesson 10 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're going to start on page 65. This is finger picking pattern number 28, found there on page 65. All right, so as we get started, I'm just going to demonstrate it on an E minor chord as I typically do because we don't have to worry about the left hand. Of course, we're going to be in standard positioning with our thumb plucking that low 6th string for the E minor chord, but it plucks the bass note of the chord. Index on the 3rd string, middle on the 2nd, and ring finger on that high string. We start off quarter note value playing thumb and middle finger together. Then we have index ring. And then we go thumb, middle, index, ring. Isn't that cool? So you have PM, I, A, PM, I, A. Play it a little bit faster. Ready and go and. That. Now we're going to be playing in the key of G major, so it might be good just to warm up with those chords. So we're going to have G, C, and D7. We may play some other chords as well, but that's where we'll be starting. So let's just get comfortable there playing with those chords. We'd start with the G, and we do the C, D7, and if we put it into a little chord progression so we could practice the changes, we could do G, C, D7, and come back to G. We'd have ready and. Take it a little faster, ready and go and. Of course, with that warm up, we are ready to jam together on a couple chord progressions. We're going to start off with number 4 on page 65. Then we're going to go over to page 36 and do number 4. So number 4 on page 65 and then number 4 on page 36. We'll just insert this once per measure. We're going to do them at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. So it's going to be great. Let's go ahead and play these. Okay, awesome. I hope you're having fun with this. In the next video, we're going to take a look at a similar fingerpicking pattern that is a little bit different. So the next one there in the book, it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.